Get ready to witness the impossible. The Nokia Slim X 5G is here to redefine sleek. Hold on to your current flagship, because the smartphone world is about to get a whole lot slimmer, and a hell of a lot more powerful. For years, we've had to compromise thinness for power, but Nokia is reportedly shattering that trade-off with the Nokia Slim X 5G, poised to claim the title of the world's slimmest smartphone, yet packing features that defy its sleek profile. Forget incremental upgrades. This isn't just a phone, it's an engineering marvel. We've got the fully leaked details, from its stunning camera array to its lightning-fast charging, so let's dive into the future of mobile technology. Features of the Nokia Slim X 5G. The Nokia Slim X 5G is set to be an absolute head-turner. Forget bulky bricks, this is minimalist elegance perfected. But don't let the slimness fool you, it features a gorgeous 6.87-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, shielded by tough Gorilla Glass 7. The visuals are hyper-fluid, thanks to a silky 120Hz refresh rate. This isn't just a screen, it's a window to a hyper-immersive visual experience. The camera revolution. The Nokia Slim X 5G isn't playing around, it's bringing professional-grade photography to a pocket-sized device. The triple camera setup is nothing short of jaw-dropping. An unprecedented 200-megapixel DSLR-grade main camera. That's detail you have to see to believe. Backed by a versatile 50-megapixel lens, and a precise 5-megapixel shooter for ultimate versatility in every scene. And for the selfie fanatics, a blazing 48-megapixel front camera ensures your self-portraits are always cover-ready. Untouchable performance. Powering this ultra-slim masterpiece is the undisputed champion of mobile processing, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 octa-core processor. This chipset guarantees blazing fast performance and seamless multitasking, whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing photos. Out of the box, it's expected to run on the latest Android 16, promising a smooth, cutting-edge user experience. Battery and charging. The big question for any slim phone is battery life, and Nokia has engineered a brilliant solution. It houses a respectable 5000 mAh battery, but the real magic is in the charging, a mind-blowing 90-watt fast charger. How fast is that? You can reportedly smash your charge time, going from dead to 100% in a shocking 20 minutes. Say goodbye to overnight charging. Launch date and price. Now for the news you've been waiting for. The best part, the entry price is rumored to be incredibly competitive. The base variant, sporting a generous 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, is expected to land at an estimated price point of just $899. While there is no official launch date yet, the buzz is deafening. Stay glued for official updates.